British Pathway, where dreams come true.
Hello everyone, welcome to another video with another topic. I'm Nur Fatma from British Pathway Consultancy and I'm your guide to making your UK study dream a reality. So today I'm here to guide you through one of the most popular UK universities postgraduate option like the MRes degree or the Master of Teaching. So many students ask two things, that which university offers MRes degrees or can I go with my spouse? And the answer is yes. An MRes degree is not only offered by many well-known universities, but it also allows you to apply with your spouse and dependents. And that's the biggest reason that the international students prefer this route. So if you're looking for affordable options, universities like Hull, Teesside, UWS, Leeds, Beckett, and Cumbria are great choices. And the good part is these fall into the lower to medium fee range and also offer January intake. This means you don't have to wait till September to start your studies. So now if we look at universities, they generally fall into three categories, like the mid-one options, the affordable options, and the top-ranked universities with higher tuition fees. And for you guys, my advice is always shortlist universities based on three things: your budget, intake availability, especially January intake that is available now, and your subject specialization. So this is an amazing opportunity to build your future. Thank you so much for watching.